Hi guys, and welcome to Sophreakingood. I'm Sophia, and today we are making gluten-free crispy chicken. It's criminal how easy this recipe is, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so that you get notifications whenever we come up with a new recipe. Today we're using potato flakes instead of breadcrumbs to give that same nice, airy, crispy texture, but keeping it gluten-free. You can find these in most grocery stores. Just make sure you check the ingredients, and the main ingredients should just be potato flakes or potato starch. Simply season the chicken with whatever you'd like. I'm using an herbed sea salt. Then dip it into the crumbs, pressing down to make sure that everything is completely and evenly coated. Then simply spread it in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 375 degrees for about an hour or until everything is golden brown, delicious, and crispy. You can even put it under the broiler for a minute or two just to get a bit more color. Gluten-free crispy chicken. It's unbelievably easy to make, and it tastes absolutely delicious. You don't have to be limited to just drumsticks. You can try this with chicken thighs, chicken wings, chicken breast. It doesn't really matter. This gluten-free crispy chicken will please even the pickiest eaters, and it's so delicious. Did I say I'm gonna show you how to make it and it's so freaking good? I think I said it.
Wow. And remove this one?
Could be a voiceover.
Yeah. I think I said it. But I did say subscribe, so it's fine. It's all good. In the kosher section, because for things,
Don't go to kosher.
in your household, no, you can't do that. The camera is shaking.